Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Tuesday, January 27th. I want to talk about Yahoo and members. I also cover this in the strategy session tonight, so this will probably be redundant for you unless you don't look at the strategy session, in which case it won't. Anyway, look, after hours, Yahoo announced earnings that actually pleased everybody, right? Not really. The reason the stock's up so much, and it is up a lot, is because they're spinning off their stake in Alibaba in a tax-free way, which is something that the big shareholders have wanted, and so they did it. The new company is called SpinCo, and everybody's happy, happy, joy, joy. So the stock's up a lot, but here's the thing. Other than that, there really wasn't much to brag about other than the fact that they're spinning off their shares of Alibaba. In other words, at least from what I see and from what I see other people that are smarter than me who actually look at fundamentals, they're talking about, there just wasn't a lot to go on. So here's the deal. So Yahoo is spinning off Alibaba. What's that going to leave for the company? Not a whole lot. Not a big reason to buy the stock up here. I mean, don't you think the stock's up 7.5% after hours? Don't you think then that the spinoff has already been factored into the price of the stock, like as you're looking at it here? So what's left? My bet is what's left is about $50, $52 resistance. My suggestion is this: if you're long the stock and you think that I'm full of it, then go ahead and hang on to the stock, but use a stop loss. Keep a stop like maybe right underneath 50 bucks or so on at least some of your position. The stock has been trending higher. There's no denying that. It has pulled back. And so, golly gee, maybe it's ready for the next move higher, and you Yahooians are going to be able to look at a $60, $70 stock and just hang on. If that's your deal, fine. But I would at least suggest keeping a stop on this, because I see this as probably a gap and crap tomorrow, or at least a gap and without the app, because the stock's going to be hitting right up against resistance. Okay, members, over to the strategy session.